Hello guys. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sakib Naim from Learning Sakib Naim YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing well. After 1 week, I came up with a new video, GitHub tutorial, beginner level. This video is helpful for everyone. After my one video, wrote by a front-end developer, can I can receive a lot of mails and a lot of wishes for coming with a new video. Please supporting me, like and subscribe for more video and get update for my new YouTube channel. The today topic is GitHub tutorial. Here we go to GitHub website. We can see this website. GitHub website. GitHub website. Where the GitHub docs. GitHubs. There is also links. GitHub links. I can put the GitHub links on my description below. Here we can check. Here you can check the Git version of your Windows in Mac OS, Windows, Linux, which CMT you are used. You can check for this Mac OS, Windows, or Linux or Unix GU client. There's a latest version for using the Git Bash. You gotta download the Git Bash for the landing the command and upload the GitHub repository on the GitHub. Also, you also account of GitHub. I can minimize the GitHub. Here is my account. You can follow me. Get to repository. Here is my Git repository. You can see there is a 24 contributor last year. Here is all the code I am uploading here. It is very full. All the code is stories in the GitHub local a remote cloud storage. It's called the cloud storage. You can upload the code through commit through reverse the file. Every developer or every community use this for combination the project. Let's checks. Let's check whether my what version you use, and you can see Git v- Git version 2.47 in Windows 1. Here is my version. We can see the version is a 2.4.7.1. When you install on your Windows, now automatically send a notification for updating your GitHub Git Bash. Absolutely no, you're not pushed on a website or anything else. Just keep an eye on a notification on Windows shell. You can automatically update. Here we can see we are using I am using Git version 2.4.7 on Windows 1. Automatically updated. No, this is their website. They are pushing not on Windows and just to click downloads and automatically download the latest version. It's very simple and very easy and very fast. Okay, I can minimize this and go for the next chapter. GitHub search, GitHub, and Git. Here is my GitHub login account. Everyone should create a login account for uploading videos and connects and merge the basic Windows. Let's begin. Let's begin. I can say are also VS Code open fast. Or we can go the Git Bash. We here everyone we can see here is a Git Bash. First, first we need to open a file. Now open a Git Bash. So, and someone asked me why you use a Git Bash or no another terminal. Now here is the main reasons we Git Bash and go to the website to download Git based tutorial, the Git based base and quiz server is all that. Very important, GitHub is a platform that hosts the Git repository, allowing the individual teams to collaborate on code. If you are beginner, um, there's a few steps you need to know. First of all, uh, you would want to know what is GitHub. GitHub is a web-based platform that provide a hosting for Git repository, making easier for individual teams to manage, share, collaborate on the software development project. Basically, collaboration tools like pull, request, issue, wikis, integration capabilities, CCTV pipelines, project management tools, code sharing, the discovery why use GitHub. GitHub's allows us to track a change in your code over the time. Mainly, GitHub's watching your file, what you make change or what to do after next times. Everything watching, everything watching on your file. Just remember, Git is watching your file just like watching guard, any mouse watch guard like this. You can revert to earlier version of the code. Even multiple developer can work on the same project simultaneously. Suppose you can project number one, যেমন front-end developer project number one, everyone modify this HTML, CSS, index.js file. So everyone collaborated, access the ability on the cloud, stores the file. Your code is stored in cloud, ensuring no loss if your computer crashes. We can access your code from anywhere with an internet connection. Open the source community. GitHub is a home to million open source projects. You can explore, learn more, or contribute to this project. Integrate with the tools and service. GitHub integrate the popular tools like Slack, Jira, CCD platform. Mainly, I think we can ensure that I am adapt as well as the supporting a successful plan and execution complete of the project by coordinating the resource and schedule or communication among the stakeholders. So now we can go for the Git bash. I think I can clear the basic concept on the GitHub. Now I'm going to Git bash and open. Here I can open and just first say we can first create a folder. So we can mkdir name, mm, name, mkdir name. We can see mkdir name and cd name. We can see there is a mkdir means the file you are creating a folder. You are creating a folder that's called mkdir name and cd name, and we can see. Uh, we can see the mkdir9 by cd9. Here is the basic that we can create a kind of fold, and here is the latest file directory mgw. It is a 9, and we can create a file that called touch 1.tx. That's when creating a file under 9 directory. Oh, sorry, this is the not comma, this is the hyphen txt touch, then touch to txt. There is a file here, but we can create another folder. We can add a folder name order. We can name the folder. We can create another folder mkdir oets command and create a name folder. And then we can redirect the name folder by cd. We can see there is a name, then name folder. Then we can touch the 3.tx. And we can go to the this directory. Then here is, you can see the directory mgw name is name folder. Then we can go terminal c user program file now user user Sakib, user Sakib. Here is a called file name. A Here is the file got name. As I mentioned it, you can cross over this. It's in here is a name, then folder is a name folder one comma. Here is my mistakes. Here is not as is put. Here is no, everyone should clearly understand that there is a full stop, not comma. Here is a we can file one or two, and nine folder. There is another text file, three.txt. We can modify it. Now here is a we can check git status. What we do, everything can. Here is all file case registering data that making file could not open. One it could not open. Git or git at commit, but we first go to name and then modify, just like something say your name, but everything digit you can put, everything you can put here. You can meaningful put name insightful. Just kill and save this. Then number two, can say two. We can say just save. And there's another one, three. Just put 333. Just go to save. On here we can choose the status. Now we can back to the main the root file. Then we can cd comment. We can unmain nine folder. Then we can check his status. Just nothing to add to commit, but untracked file present the git add, and we can use git. We can use the git because git initialized. Then we can put his initializes his directory. Then we can git add a. And we can check git status. A untracked file, and now we gonna we internal first and git add dot. No, there is mistake. Git add. Here we can see git status. So here is a red, there is a green sign, that means you are stage. Stage mean the previously we can say that Git always watching your file. That means Git are watching, and she is stage your file means stage your all the file you can recognize and modify. Here is a red means that is not stage an untracked file. Git cannot watching this file, but we can git add dot, but all the file he is watching, everything he can watch here through git dot add dot file. uh, then here change to committed, and I can cd for uh, one dot text. CD1 is not directory, is not directory. You just go to the directory. That's why easily I usually I can take mistake, and so the words you can find it. You just go to the user goes to the nine folder. Then we can check git status 3.txt new file already is. There is a file you can see only the 3.txt new file, or 1.txt, 2.txt, 2.txt is another file, the unstaged. So we shall go git add, what can we say, and they can verify through this. Here is the basic command we can enter. I, we can commit that there is a GitHub post. Now this is the main thing we can do for git clone, git bash, and there is a we mainly we see that there is a local repository, local directory you can sell the machine. Another one we can save these. Another one we can save these repository GitHub code, and it has the results of what you are doing and not. Everything is visualized through the GitHub repository contributed last year. You can see, yes, obviously, there is my CC repository and successfully completing the project under this repository. Then I go for another things. Here you can after that you just push clear everything you just clear, but your same directory. Now and go to the VS Code terminal. Another interesting thing we can see now. Just keep an eye on my video. And there is a I prefer if you VS Code. I preferly use the VS Code. You can use the Sublime text editor. What you're suitable for this. But I am always uh prefer man also the VS Code is all the version you can provide this. And here is you can GitHub as a PowerShell. You can choose PowerShell Git Bash. Just click on this and there's a many option. I choose Git Bash. Then you can see the main here you can just delete that another I don't know the complicated. Just open. We can see the there is the same thing in Git Bash or terminal. Open just select a Git Bash. There is a everything. I think everything you recognize through. First of all, then that is the basic. Then we create a desktop file on your laptop, on your PC. Who can use those? Then we can new file. Just click it. Then we can show the Git terminal. Just click open an open folder where you can save Git desktop. You can see it Git. The is such as the others. Mm, yes. No, no. Go to the terminal or is the timeline. Not now. Go to the terminal or is the terminal. New the terminal. Use the PowerShell. Now let's go to the Git bash. Next one is delete. And just and we can say mm, git config global. Oh, there is a fantastic things you can see. We can say username or email. That's why any developer come to see the who can develop and push the GitHub repository. Here is the you can so just write out your name. I just write out align my GitHub repository name. Okay. Okay. Right, we can get terminal name. Is the email address. Same. Command git config git config global. Same. Same. User dot email. Then we can put email address that provided in the GitHub local repository. Right. Everything is okay. No, no, no. There are full step. You can check her the political card email address. Then you can check for 1 minute. Oh no, 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 no. There is a mistake. There is a V done. And that is perfect. Now here I think so my email. Done. Enter. There is a fantastic thing I can do here. There is a git node as my username and mail. Git can recognize any developer come to here to see the who can authorize this and who can manage, who can push. There is my username is Hakim and my email. Maybe anyone can to contact on me, then you can push this email. Secondly, just say Git can watching my Git folder save. So first we can comment uh, git first git init what we can see initialize the empty git repository initialize empty git repository and user git. We can see the ls we can cannot see. Then we can see so we can wait sometimes my I stop talking because of and there is a few things I can touch this. We can see details and go and there's- no, I cannot do hidden files. I can understand. I can really understand that is not your business. My business is you can create, delete, remove, or files and removes. So I can we can tag that means we can use a blank files. We can create a blank files. Now suppose we go so I can create a index.html file. Thanks. Here is a we can say index.html is under the git folder and so index we can use index style.css. Another file contact. Everything we can see there is a UU. I after 1 minute I can I also explain that. what came in by you. Then we can under the code just কিছু দিয়ে দিল কিছু afterward. We can select column 9 first document. With documents. Then we can push the git status. And here is we can see nothing added to comment, but after the when in beginning we can see there is the same line, there is the same line but same comment out. There is a git status on branch master, no comment here, untrack file. So there is an untrack file. There is a means is a commit. Commit means there is a file or to save on the local or cloud. There is a means untrack file and they can recognize you. Use the check this file. Use the git add. That means that the file can track you what changes are you inside the below. We can also put some custom CS. Just put mm, mm, mhm. This is done. This is not gonna be big deal. No, now we can now and put the next command line. Okay, it is the us. Now we can add a single. We can use the we can use it and the single file in this dot estimate. I can prefer every developer choose a parameter again use git status. I can prefer also git status because what you done is clearly check whether you can edit, remove file, add file parts or anything. We can say there is three file after at the git CHI initialization mail change to committed git rm the change called for unstage. There is a new file and exists HTML, but there is a first of all there is initial but there is a no initial, there is a green sign that don't say stage. We can there is a very time consuming. We can also edit all the file just quickly comment git add just put git add and let's the more capital A enter. Hey, here is a great things happens. There is all the file is signal is green. That means all the file is tracked and it stays. Yeah, there is just change to committed, and that means there is also change that on the file system AA and there is a UU. Also, it explain this and just git reset. We can also file the git reset. It's the previous actions. Hey, here is another in the previous one. If we before the contract the file. That is a previous also. And then we can also get it. And we can create a file and folder. We can move to file another file another, and we can create a folder like CSS. And the problems are still it. New folder called CSS, and the CSS file called bootstrap. Use a CSS. Then we can go to the CSS just call cd CSS. You can see we file the CSS just now init git add dot all the file can is and we can see git status or if the file follow regarding a, and we can manage all the thing. All the file can recognize the key statistics. And we can back in the root file git. We can There is the basic file. We can see that minimize this. We can also use everything using this is. Then we can use push Google and waiting for your editor and app.js initial service. Hitting her. You see the difference in responses. Watching your editors to close the file. And we can push it. Means modified. We can get a status. We can see the basic part. We can also check after putting some I can just wait for this GitHub. Everything you comment, pipa, pagini, no figure, service, everything you add, remove the register file, log, show the commit logs, status, show the working files, Gitma join the two or more development histories together. Everything you just or if you can understand or you can forget these things, you can just click this and switch everything. There is a beneficial part I can see. I can put to so you can understand or benefit for everything. This is the very crucial part. We can see it's the same thing. It is the same comment, same thing. There's the same part, same thing that I can talk to you here. There I can talk to before at the beginning and the course. The same thing, same command line, just copy and paste on the local to GitHub repository. You can benefit everything. Ideally, we say git.h. When you can forget something about git line comment. Also, we can regularly restart reset. Just and we can say that remove the file from contract. We can app.js. Just write it down. Remove. Then check this git status. There's a delete file. There's a delete file app.js. Just ls. We need it because CSS. There's a to have a setting showing in this small contract or contract resource. And I can say git status new file app.js will show. Then we can ls aim.js cannot access them this one there. Then we can put git status. Here is the main thing. The declared file git restore discussions in version directed use the git restore file. Here we can go to the git help file, move the restore the working file, remove the file from the working directory index. Now the status, refine, reset, merge. Now you can say git push. In fact, there are no configure push definitions. Either the specify the URL from the command line or configure the remote. Sometimes I um, waiting for mistake. That's why we can understand that every line and every line in code. You should understand, but you can recognize, but you should to keep in mind that everything you are trying, you are understanding for every code of line. That's why you can be a software developer. Anything you can. At the beginning, we can say that you can just copy and paste. I can use show something just there is a goal and I school. And here you can find a code URL. Just copy that and just paste it here or here. Then we can push. Nothing else. It is not big deals. You can find it. You can find it those the GitHub, GitHub, GitHub Windows and Git Bash logs, Git GU client. Everything you know to know just about the heads. Git's logo. So that's all for today. I think I can just initialize those topics. Eagerly waiting for this. Are everyone or anyone can want to the Git advanced level of course. So here you can purchase my course for beginner to advanced level course. Here you can purchase and see the what can make change or difference. Just I can just visualize this as initial part. Every developer just by every new beginner just knows the git, what is git or not git, how it works, how to push key, how to push, create, delete, etc. I just initialize through this and I can minimize those topics because this is a high level when you can when you're perfect and commenting on those under my videos, then I can go to the free those I only thus purchase those my previous students. But when After my new YouTube video, I can prefer the free for this, no money need. You can just go to the link and go to the my beginner to advanced level course. After 1 week, I can make a new video, new series on my tech related video. Here you can see the links and go to the beginner to advanced level, advanced levels of Git. Here you can benefit. I can free for this for reason of my new YouTube channel. It is Git for my new subscriber. Hope that's all. Hope you are doing well. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.